Students, how are you? Fine. My name is N. Kumari, Physical Science CRT, working at the Padamanyam Mandal, KGBB, Siddhavati. Today, conducted the online classes, Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan, Chittoor, Andhra Pradesh, conducted the online classes. All the students are watching the online classes. You improve your knowledge. But today discuss our topic 7th class General Science. General Science second unit Nature of Substances. Nature of Substances. The nature of substances key concepts is acids, base, neutral substances, acid-base indicators. But we know the how to prepare the pulikhora. All the students know well known the pulikhora, how to prepare. But our KGBB also every Monday put the pulikhora, make pulikhora items every Monday. We are also eat them. Now we are how to prepare the pulikhora. Or uses many ingredients. Main ingredient is tamarind paste. Tamarind is this is also a tamarind. This is also a tamarind. The tamarind taste is sour taste. Tamarind taste is sour taste. But the tamarind paste used to mix the pulikhora. Pulikhora taste also a sour taste. But the another ingredient, sour taste, another ingredient is lemon. Lemon is also a they used to prepare the lemon rice, but the lemon taste is also a sour taste. But this substances taste is sour taste substances. But they have it's this type of items. Sour taste substances is also called the acids. Acid is the Latin name Acer. Acer means sour. But we have to given some activity. But we also know some substances taste and say the acid, not acid. Given the table, tomato juice taste is sour. But sour taste substances is called the acid. But sugar taste is sweet. But acid, not acid. Sour taste is not there, the sugar, because this is not an acid. But curd also a which taste? Sour taste. But curd also a acid. But raw mango also every student is eat the raw mango. Raw mango taste also a sour taste. This is also a acid. But table salt is a salty taste. But this is not a sour taste, but not a acid. Not an acid. Amla is also say the in Telugu usiri. Amla is also say the sour taste. Sour taste is also a acid. But orange juice also a sour taste. This is also a acid. But you completed this table. You taste and say these items. We can taste and say the acid, not acid. You can taste the tomato juice. This is also a sour. Sugar, taste and sweet. Curd, sour. Raw mango, sour. Table salt, salty. Amla, orange juice also a sour taste. Sour tastes he says that acids. Not sour tasted he said the not acids. We have completed this table. We know that the substances taste and say which is acid, which is not acids. Now we can go some fruits having some acidic nature. Which type of fruits? Lemon also have a citric acid. Lemon also have a citric acid. Next, tamarind. Tamarind also have a tartaric acid. Tartaric acid. Next one, tomato. Tomato also have a oxalic acid. Oxalic acids. Next one, apple. Apple also have a malic acid. Malic. Apple also have a malic acids. This amla. Next one, some vitamin C. Vitamin C. Vitamin C also a vitamins we have to learn in previous classes. Vitamin C also have the some substances. Amla also a usili also have a oxalic acid.
ఓకే మేడం.
Ascorbic.
ఇదేం పడడం ఆఫ్ చేయడం. స్టార్ట్.
You have learned vitamins in previous chapter. Vitamin C also have the amla and usiri. Usiri also a ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid is also a vitamin C. Next one, we have to learn the acids in uses in the cleaning of houses, toilets and bathrooms. We can using these acids. We can wash the toilets and bathrooms. This HCl also, the HCl acid also used the washing the bathrooms and toilets. The acid fall on the floor. They get the some smell, some smell and also come out. Hard smell also come out. But we have to use the sulfuric acid also uses in the batteries. But car batteries, some inverters also uses in our houses. They have to use the batteries. The batteries also uses the sulfuric acid. The sulfuric acid and acetic HCl and nitric acids also a minerals. They can mineral acids and synthetic acids. They can prepare preparing with the come out with the minerals from the earth. But we can use the cool drinks and sodas and cool drinks also have a carbonic acid. The carbonic acid also used in preparing carbonic acid. This is also a cool drink. The cool drink have a carbonic acid. But how to prepare the carbonic acid? Carbon dioxide dissolved in the water. They can form the carbonic acid. But now we have to know the acids. Acids also you used to in our life, and some substances have which type of substances have source substances also says the acids. We can know that. Next one, we can go to the base. Bases also but acids also sour taste, and which substances taste is sour, that have acids. But bases, how do they can identify? Wash your hands and wash your hands in nowadays come daily. But why we have to wash our hands? They have to remove the microorganisms. But now COVID situations, everybody have to wash the hands every day. But now we can wash our hands uses the soap, bathing soaps and washing soaps, and you can clean your teeth use the paste. This is also a how to they can which type of nature the substances, you know that you can do the some small activity. You can wash your hands with the soap. You can apply the 2 plums in bathing soap, and they have to rub them your 2 plums. They can given the slippery nature. Slippery nature. This is also a slippery nature and bitter taste. But they have, this is also a washing soap. Washing soap also apply your hands with the 2 plums and rub them. They can, you have to, they have to feel that rubbing them, you have feel them, they have to slippery nature. But the same you have to, you can applying your paste, Colgate paste also apply your hands and feel that how, which type of nature the Colgate paste. The paste also rub your hands and they can feel them. This the nature of Colgate is also a slippery nature and bitter taste. But slippery nature and bitter taste of substances is called the base. Paste have some in Colgate paste have main components of the Colgate paste: calcium carbonate, aluminum hydroxide, sodium bicarbonate. Also have in the Colgate paste main components. But the basics also dissolve in the water. They can dissolve in the water. They can call the alkyls. But bases can be dissolved in the water. This is the alkyls. But some bases also, sodium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide and calcium hydroxide also a examples of bases. Hydroxide and magnesium hydroxide also a examples of the base. We have to classify its substances, taste and touches, you can acids and bases. But now we can discuss the neutral substances. The neutral substances, neither acid nor basis nature, is called the neutral substances. For example, distilled water and sugar water and salt water. This is we see on the distilled water. This water also a distilled water. But you can see the sugar, take the sugar on the glass, you can mix with the water, they have to prepare the sugar water. Next one, salt water. This is also a salt water. The three also we can see that sugar water, salt water and distilled water. These three also examples of neutral substances. Next one we can go to the indicators, acid bases indicators. But we can touch and taste the substances, say the acid or base. Some substances they did not touch and say that. For example, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid. This is acids also a very harmful. Some bases also a sodium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide. These substances they did not touch, but the substances is very harmful. But how to they can decide it? The substances is acids or base. You can use some indicators. This is called the acid base indicators. Indicators means Suchika. You say that in Telugu Suchika. But they can use the indicators. The indicators is so many types of indicators. natural indicators, synthetic indicators, olfactory indicators, universal indicators. The natural indicators also a litmus papers, turmeric, hibiscus, red cabbage. Red cabbage. But litmus papers also a generally the litmus papers also a prepared with the leeches. The litmus papers also prepared with the leeches. The litmus papers also a small strips and they have two types the litmus papers. Blue litmus. They also see the blue litmus papers. Red litmus. You can see that the litmus papers, red litmus papers and blue litmus papers. There can two types of litmus papers. One also red litmus, another one also a blue litmus papers. Next one, we can do the some activity. We can do the activity turmeric powder activity. See on the activity. The turmeric powder mix in the water and the turmeric powder also uses in our traditionally in our society. Traditionally they can use as the turmeric powder in our society. But the turmeric powder rub on the white paper. This is also a indicator. But first one we can test them with the soap water. You can test the soap water. You have write some letters also. You have take the small piece of this paper, put in the soap water. You can take the soap water on the watch glass and put this paper, put in the soap water. But which color they can get? Reddish color, browny red color also come. But brown red color also come. You have observed this color. Next one we can do the same activity with the lemon juice. Lemon juice. Take the lemon juice on the beaker and put the paper. Put the yellow paper, turmeric paper, put on the lemon juice. There is no change. There is no change on the paper. But what you understand? The turmeric powder also uses the indicator. But as it is no change, basis solution they get the brownish red color. Brownish red color. This is also a small activity with the natural indicator of turmeric powder. Next one we can go to the another activity with the hibiscus indicator. Hibiscus indicator. We can take the hibiscus solution. Hibiscus solution. How do they can prepare the hibiscus solution? First one, hibiscus means this is also a hibiscus flower. The hibiscus flower also say in Telugu mandaram. Mandaram puvo ani cheptam. The hibiscus flower petals is put in a warm water and heat them and they can filter the water. The water also color in brown color. But we can do the some activity. First one, we can take the hibiscus water, but you can mixing the lemon juice. can mixing the lemon juice, they get red color. See them and observe all the students. But we can mixing the hibiscus solution, they can draw red color. All of you observe me, which color also get? They can light red color. All of you observe them. The hibiscus solution mix the lemon juice and they get the red color. They can red color. But same activity we can do the soap water. Soap water. First one, we can take the soap water and mixing the hibiscus solution, but they get the light greenish color. Can see, observe them all the students, greenish color, light greenish color. Light greenish color. The synthetic indicators is methyl orange and phenolphthalein solutions. Methyl orange and phenolphthalein solutions. Both are solutions is used in laboratory also. These they have to prepare the artificially. These artificially indicators is called the synthetic indicators. But they can do the how to differentiate. They get the adding the with the substances. They get the colors, but which color they get the acids, which color get the bases. We can do the small activity. Let us do the small activity. First one, we can take the lemon juice. We can take the lemon juice on the first one. We can add in the methyl orange. First one, we can take the lemon juice, add the methyl orange. But which color they get? Reddish color. Red color also got methyl orange. Methyl orange adding the lemon. Lemon also a acidic nature, acid. But acids we can adding the methyl orange. They get the red color. But same activity we can do the in soap water. Soap water. We can take the soap water and add the methyl orange. They get the yellow color. Add the methyl orange, they get the yellow color. But soap is also a basic nature. But bases added the methyl orange, they get the yellow color. But you can using another indicator, phenolphthalein solution. Phenolphthalein solution is added with the phenolphthalein solution is added with soap water. They take the soap water and mix it with the phenolphthalein solution. They get the pink color. They get the pink color. Soap solution also base. Bases is adding the phenolphthalein solution. They get the pink color. But same you have to add in the bases. You can add in the bases, no reaction. We can take the lemon juice on the beaker. But add the phenolphthalein solution, but no reaction. But phenolphthalein solution is no reaction with the acids. But phenolphthalein solution is reacts with the bases. They get pink color. They get pink color. Basis is no reaction. Basis is no reaction. Next one. This is also a synthetic fiber. Synthetic indicator. Synthetic indicators. Next one we can go to the. We can test in the litmus papers also. Litmus papers also uses to test the solution. First one, you can test the lemon juice with blue litmus. They can change in the pink color. But another litmus paper, red litmus and take the red litmus paper and test in the lemon juice. No reaction. But acids reacts with the red litmus. No reaction. Blue litmus change into red color. But same activity we can do in the soap water. Take the soap water and put in the red litmus in the soap water. They can change in the blue color. Next one, you can take the blue litmus, put in the soap water. There is no change. But we understand that the synthetic indicators, they can be added the substances. They get the colors. We can identify the acids and bases. The substance is acid nature. The substance is the basic nature. Next one we can go to the olfactory indicators. Olfactory indicators means they have to acid and bases mixing with the clay oil and methyl. Next one called the vinegar. Clay oil and vinegar we can, and onions. Onions is mixing them. They get the sweet smell. This is called the olfactory indicators. Next one, universal indicator. This is also a universal indicator. Universal indicator also uses some universal strips also have. Universal strips. This is also a yellow color. The yellow color also a universal indicators and universal strips. The universal strips and universal indicators and blue litmus and red litmus also uses them. We can indicate the strength of the acids and bases. First one, we have to conclude the lesson. First one, acids, bases, neutral solution substances, acids, base, indicators. Acids is the sour taste and they can change the red litmus into blue color, but bases is the slippery and slippery nature. They can turn the red litmus into blue color. Neutral solutions, neither the acids and nor bases is called the neutral solutions. Example of distilled water, sugar water and salt solutions. Salt solution, sugar solution. Bases, acids, indicators. Types of indicators. Natural indicators, synthetic indicators, olfactory indicators, universal indicators. Natural indicators is litmus papers, turmeric, hibiscus, red cabbage. Synthetic indicators is also says the blue litmus, red litmus papers. The blue litmus and red litmus paper indicators is come into the Lynch's, but synthetic indicators also a methyl orange and phenolphthalein. Olfactory indicators also onion, clay oil and vinegar. But universal indicators also uses to decide the acid basis strength also. Thank you students, all of you. Next one we can go to write the summary. Next we can go and write some questions. Assessment. Write the assessment. First one, write the difference. Differences between acids and bases. Second question, give examples to different types of acids and